Aria kigomano-ini na anyiti itemi ruhonge-ini rwa githomo Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta niyathingiriirie kuga thirikari yake ndikuoni igego uria wothe kunyita itemi wuici-ini wa igeranio cia KCPE na KCSE.
That my administration has taken bold steps to ensure that we have a credible examination process building on our success last year. I commend those who have worked long and hard hours to ensure that we have a successful examination.
Uhuru niyathingatite kuga mitaratara marumu niyambikitwo kuri arutwo undu umwe na kugacirithio kwa ugitiri thukuru-ini ciothe bururi-ini.
Our future as a nation depends on the quality of our students and professionals. This is what we depend on for our future, and we will continue to protect our children from unscrupulous conmen and women for that matter.
Kuhana uguo namba ya wuici wa igeranio ni wambiriirie guthie thi kuria mwaka muhituku thukuru 10 ni ciakanjirwo igeranio ciao gukiringithanio na mwaka wa 2016 kuria arutwo 5,000 makanjirwo igeranio ciao matongoretio ni kaunti ya Makueni, Bomet na Kisii.
As a result of these initiatives, enrollment has gone up from the previous 17,000 children to about 23,000 children today. To maintain high-quality standards of education, my government is in the process of engaging 520 ECDE teachers to be deployed to schools across Nairobi.
Ihinda-ini riu Minister wa Githomo Amina Mohamed ni ugite gicunji kia 77 turume 1 hari 100 kia arutwo a nathari bururi-ini ni marikitie kwiyandikithia rungu rwa mitaratara wa githomo kia nathari.
The strongest foundation that you can give to the future of our countries, all our countries, is basically ensuring that they actually are prepared for school.
Thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi ni gukorwo ikiandika arutani eri kuri thukuru icio undu umwe na kuheana iria maita meri gwa kiumia. Kigomano giki ni gia kugacirithia na guthingata aciari guthomithia ciana gitaro-ini kia Afrika.